Hello viewers, once again this is Ajral Rafi. In my previous tutorial, I have showed you how to get and accept a job offer from a client on Upwork. In this particular tutorial, I am going to show you how to download Upwork Time Tracker app and how to use it to track times on a project on Upwork. To download the software, first of all, you have to go to upwork.com and then after logging to your profile, you can download the software from here. Track time with the desktop app. I'm going to click here to download the app. Okay. So it will lead me to this page, and here you can see track time, connect with clients. You can either track time and you can also chat with your clients, easy collaboration and payment protection for logged hours. And now to mention one thing, Upwork Time Tracker app only works on Windows 7 and the upper versions. Okay, so now I'm going to click here and download Upwork desktop app as I'm using Windows 10 right now. Okay, it's a 26 MB file. I'm going to click here on OK, and it's being downloaded. Well, the application is almost downloaded, and here I have seen in notification that the application have been downloaded. So what I am going to do, I am going to install the software. So to install the software, I am clicking here on open, and I have to click here on yes, install. Okay, so here is the end user license agreement. You have to click here on agree. Okay, it's being installed properly, and here it is. It's been installed on my computer. Now I'm going to sign into my account. Okay, I'm going to click here on sign in. Okay, here are a few messages like what you can do, time tracking, message, and here's the process they are showing, and you can chat with clients, and you can select your visibility if you want to show your clients or other colleagues that are you in online or are you offline. You can select these options from here. Got it? Okay, here it is being loaded. So it's just loaded with all the contracts that I have currently open. Okay, and here it is being loaded from Upwork message. As it is it's going to take some privacy matters, so I have just minimized the message option. And now I'm going to show you how to select a contract and how to start working. For example, I have here several contracts. Okay, suppose I want to start working for this company. I just have to select this company from this bar. Like I'm just clicking here. Okay, so I have just selected the company, and now I can start tracking the times. And here are the options that for which reason you are currently tracking your time. Suppose I am now making the spreadsheet ready. Okay, I've just selected the message here, and then if I click here on start tracking, then the tracking will be started and I have to work on the project. Okay, and after completing working on a project, I just have to click here to off once again. So as right now I'm not going to work on any project, so I have just skipped to click on the button. Okay, it's that simple. And for your better understanding, if you didn't understand yet, I am going to work on another. I'm going to work live on another tutorial. I will attach the link below. You can watch the process. I will show the process from start to finish once again without installing the software actually. Okay, I hope this video helps. If it helps, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any question regarding freelancing or Upwork, you can ask me by placing a comment below. I hope this video helps and thank you very much for watching.